2011 Honda Pilot. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your brake light bulb, your turn signal light bulb, or your reverse light bulb, or how to replace your tail light. Real quick, pop your trunk open. You got these two screws holding it. You can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm. Take those two off right there. Once you take it off, it's got two kind of like a, let me pull it out for you guys so you can see it right here. You want to wiggle it back and forth like this, then eventually it'll come off. So this is what it looks like on this side right here. It's just those two pointy things sticking inside that. So once you take it off, if you have to replace the whole tail light, all you got to do is you got a little rubber cover right here. You pluck it out with a flathead screwdriver, it'll come out. Then you pull the wiring harness out and press on that tab. Press on this tab right here. I can't do it with one hand, but you press on that tab and it'll disconnect the wiring harness right here. If you need to replace your light bulbs right here, this is going to be your turn signal light bulb. All you do is you twist it and then it comes off like that. Then you can pull the light bulb off like this, put the new one in, just slides in like that, and then you twist it back on in there. This is going to be your brake light bulb, same thing. You just twist it, then pull that light bulb out, pull it out like what I did with this one, and then put it back in there. This is going to be your reverse light bulb right here. Let's see, right over here, that tiny one right there. Once you're done replacing the tail light or whatever bulb you have to replace, make sure that you slide this piece back in there, and then you have to align these two pointy things, this one and that one right here. You have to align it over here. Just like that. Then you give it a good push and then put your screws back on in there, and that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button, and again, thank you for watching.